Walk the extra mile, it's never crowded. Good morning everyone. We the students of class 11C got a golden opportunity to conduct today's assembly. The topic of our assembly is Teachers the Ladder. Teachers are the source of knowledge and prosperity. They are the one who grow the seed of knowledge, sprinkle it with love and nurture it for tomorrow's stream. Now Mahima is here for the prayer.
Morning to one and all present over here. Thought of the day is, teacher is the ladder to reach into the goals of life. Teacher is the ladder to reach into the goals of life. They build path for us where we walk, and there the success thrives. Thank you. May you have a wonderful and learning day ahead.
Good morning, my name is Akash Khera and today I am here to speak a few words of gratitude for our beloved teachers, the ladders of society. Better than 1,000 days of delight is to study one day with a good teacher. They are the ones who build a good nation and make the whole world a better place. A teacher teaches us the value of a pen over a sword, and they are very esteemed in society because they elevate the living standards of people. And teachers are said to be a second parent as they take care of us in school and guide us to the righteous path of success and a good human being. So we can say that teachers are the blessings of God and we should obey them, learn from them and thank them for the contribution to the society. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today Akash Khera of class 11C is here to give you latest news. National news. Mamata Banerjee sworn in as West Bengal's Chief Minister for the third time. International news. Britain to offer third COVID vaccine shot to all above 50. Sports news. ITES suspended after multiple COVID-19 cases surface. Thank you.
We never clapped them from our balconies and didn't light a candle for their services. Unlocking passion during the lockdown. Our teachers. Dear teachers, sometimes it may seem like people have forgotten how important you really are. Your creativity, your dedication, your passion. It's time for a reminder for every child that says, I am not smart enough. I don't get it. I can't. There's a teacher who says, you can.
Teachers are like the step of a ladder. It remain at the same position yet help their students to reach the heights.